Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This lovely two-bedroom, two-bathroom, tucked away in Coral Spring Village, a residential gated community in the resort town of Falmouth, 5 to 10 minutes from the beach, close to Ocean Coral Spring, 20 minutes to Montego Bay. This property has a structure at the back for a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom and gaming lounge. Plan is available. Materials that are present are also included. Home is where your story begins. The land area of this house is approximately 5,426 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 24 million or US $155,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.